All right, real talk. Ever thought about making money with ebooks but felt stuck? No idea what to write about? Worried it'll take forever? Not sure how to sell it? What if I told you AI could do 90% of the heavy lifting? I'm talking about coming up with ideas, writing the content, formatting it, even helping you sell it. Sounds crazy? Stick with me. I'll show you exactly how to use any AI to write, publish, and sell ebooks that people actually want to buy. No fluff. Just a step-by-step breakdown that gets results. Let's go. Step 1. Find a winning idea. Most people fail because they write about stuff nobody cares about. Instead of guessing, use AI to find trends and problems that people already want solutions for. Ask, list 10 trending topics in the X niche for X audience. Or, what are common problems people face with this topic X? Pick one that checks these 3 boxes. High demand. People are already searching for it. Low competition, not flooded with similar books. You find it interesting, you'll stick with it. This alone puts you ahead of 90% of wannabe authors who write random stuff nobody wants. Step 2. Outline your book in seconds. Most people waste weeks planning their book. Not you. Use any AI like ChatGPT, Grok, DeepSeek, etc. to generate a full outline in seconds. Create a detailed outline for a book on topic X. Now, instead of staring at a blank page, you've got a clear roadmap to follow. Step 3. Write the book without the pain. The biggest myth? Thinking you need to write every word yourself. Nope. Any AI can generate full sections on demand. Write 500 words on specific subtopic X. Add personal stories, insights, and edits to make it feel real. Don't just copy-paste, make it yours. Once done, proofread and edit to clean it up. Step 4. Format it for a pro look. A messy book equals bad reviews equals no sales. Fix that with clean formatting in Google Docs. Use H1 for chapters, H2 for subheadings. Set line spacing to 1.15 or 1.5 for easy reading. Add page breaks between chapters. Keep fonts consistent and professional. Looks legit. Good. Now, let's publish. Step 5. Upload to Amazon Kindle, KDP. Amazon KDP is the easiest way to start selling your ebook. Create a free account at kdp.amazon.com. Upload your manuscript as a .docx from Google Docs. Add a killer title, subtitle, and author name. Write a compelling description. Use AI. Write a persuasive book description for X. Select the best keywords and categories so people find your book. Before hitting publish, preview it on different devices to make sure it looks good. Step 6. Design a cover that sells. Your cover equals first impression. Bad one? No one clicks. Use Canva to design a pro-level cover. Use the correct size, 1600 x 25x60 pixels. Bold, clear fonts. No fancy unreadable stuff. Eye-catching design. Look at top-selling books for inspo. Even ask ChatGPT to give you the killer image prompt to create the image with AI. Remember, people do judge a book by its cover. Step 7. Price it right. Too cheap? You leave money on the table? Too expensive? No one buys. Do this. Check competitor prices in your genre. Choose Amazon's 35% or 70% royalty option. Start with introductory pricing to get early sales. Then, increase. Small tweaks equals big sales difference. Step 8. Market like a pro. Most authors fail because they don't market. Don't be them. Here's what works. Leverage social media. Share on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Run Amazon ads, targeted ads, fast visibility. Build an email list. Offer free content to collect emails. Ask for reviews, more reviews, Drawers, higher rankings. Drawers, more sales. Small effort now equals passive income later. Genius use cases you haven't thought of. Create a lead magnet. Give away a short ebook to build an email list and sell bigger products later. Publish under a pen name. Want to test different niches? Use a pen name and launch multiple books fast. Turn one book into multiple formats. After your ebook, create an audiobook or print version to maximize sales. This is scalable. Once you've done it once, you can repeat the process and build a whole brand. Look, AI is changing the game. You can sit and watch or use it to create income. If you got value from this, drop a like and comment below. What's your ebook idea? And if you want more AI-powered business ideas, subscribe so you don't miss out. Let's get it.